Behind the red line.
This is all your place though, is it?
We pay for this, so it doesn't make any difference. For COVID and everything else, you need to stay behind. My boys will actually ask you to leave, yeah?
That's not me, innit? Why don't you tell me?
Mate, you work in the cinema. Mate, you work in the cinema.
Go. Fuck off.
Relax, son.
Yeah.
So we're asking for all the drivers to make their way right into the centre to have one final photo op.
Yes, Aki. How you doing, Aki? Okay.
Armin's bringing his car here as well.
Armin.
Armin's bringing his car here.
What time?
Oh yeah.
Respect, please. You've got to respect people and COVID rules.
You're not respecting us.
Well, I'm asking you to leave.
No way. No.
Here.
The way you came up to us wasn't
It's
respectful,
loud.
mate.
I'm asking you to leave.
So-
You're not allowed to be in the courtyard.
But it doesn't say that anyway. Why does it though?
What's the barrier?
I mean, I don't really see a
Stay the
barrier.
other side of the barrier.
I don't really see a
There's
barrier.
signs everywhere saying social distancing, step behind the barrier.
So we bring even.
You need to just leave.
Yeah, by the way, yeah? Right. Just get out of here, man, before I land you, bro.